Warning, this video is for anyone 21 and older. Educational purposes only. We are trained professional fiends. Do not try this at home.
Welcome, fiends and family. We back with another video. Today we on the train. We taking a journey
on the train, and there's on the cameraman.
We're gonna be going.
Cameraman X right there.
We got trips sketch.
But today we're going to Santa Fe.
We're going to Santa Fe. We're gonna explore Meow Wolf on Shrooms, y'all.
Don't be on this. Yes, I'm not doing it. It's these two.
I know he's our trip sitter. Yeah. Just waiting for the train right now, y'all. Shit's taking longer than expected.
Pocket, please. Try your pocket. Ah! These are not tickets.
Well, bro, we're on the train, and you know, gotta sneak in and hit them.
Small one, small.
Alright, yo, 514 northbound train. Exit out from Kiwa in approximately 20 minutes. Doors closing shortly, please stay clear.
Yay! We about to exit the bus and shit.
Yup.
Oh shit, we can't fall. T-bag, what
is this? Oh, look.
Oh, about to stay on. Appreciate it. Thank you. We made it to Santa Fe, y'all. Y'all, think of that.
We fucking did.
Yeah, let's go. What we about to do, y'all, is just explore Santa Fe. And then we'll hit Meow Wolf, pop the shrooms, you know what I'm saying? But we made it, y'all. We actually made it. That's crazy.
We have to cook.
What? Today?
Smoking marijuana, eating Cheetos, and masturbating do not constitute plans in my book.
Screw you and your book, man, alright? I'm going to a museum in Santa Fe, not like you need to know.
We're already seeing the Santa Fe art, y'all. Shit's different out here. Could pop the shrooms just walking down the street, honestly.
Hell yes.
Here you go. Appreciate. Make sure y'all smoking with us as we explore this town.
He's on recording.
We gotta get faded before we pop these shrooms.
Hello, Santa Fean. It's beautiful day. Hello, Santa Fean.
How you doing? About to hit the McDonald's.
How's it going?
Oh shit, about to get ran over. Tell these people.
How's it going, sir?
We're about to grub up at the Mickey D's, y'all.
And smoke up in there too.
It's that true, authentic Santa Fe food.
About to get that Minecraft in my bundle.
Yes, sir.
Minecraft, oh my god.
We're just playing that shit too on the train. Oh, look at this gourmetness, y'all. Got the Minecraft Big Mac.
I got the Minecraft spicy meat chicken. No, I'm just.
Got the fries and shit, bro. Got
Yeah, look at the
oranges
cups.
with the
The
bubbles.
bubbles on them.
Me in this little ass tunnel, y'all. I don't even fit. Look at this shit.
This photo.
But
We made it to Santa Fe, though.
this is the spot to take a hit, low key.
We in like a park, and it's kind of funny.
Yeah, we in a little park.
And then what we about to go do, we're about to go hit fucking Santa Fe downtown and just see what's up, because we never really ever been here.
Y'all, so we're just walking, and then this fucker, you can see his whole skeleton, y'all. That's crazy.
We
Welcome back.
found a little shop here in fucking downtown Santa.
Exactly.
Check this bitch out.
See what this is.
Pretty sure this is like the mall area.
That's sick. Bro.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Cause look, there's a whole downstairs.
You want down first?
There's a bunch of jewels in here.
So we walk up?
Yeah, we would be in this bitch.
Up or down? Let's go.
Yeah, let's walk around the first floor.
We just waiting for the bus right now to go to Meow Wolf. We're about to pull up and shit. You already know. Alright, y'all, so we waited for the Uber because we decided fuck the bus.
Yeah, but we finna pop these bitches.
We're gonna take one right now and get it started.
I'm gonna go ahead and look at these bitches real quick.
Fusion 6, move your finger. 6 grams, yo.
This is what it looked like.
Cheers.
X, you want one?
Yeah, they're not that bad tasting.
Yeah, it tastes better than the last one. Alright. We'll see you guys in La La Land.
About to make it to Meow finally. We spawned it outside of Meow Wolf. We about to go inside it. Oh, we got the glasses. Got the glasses. We about to head into this bitch. You ready for this? What the fuck? Yo.
They fucking good.
Oh, wait. Yo.
That's crazy. Cheers. Cheers, we all.
Walking into the Yo, this is a comfy bed too, I can tell you. What? Wait, hold up. What is it here? Hold up. Nah. What's up?
We'll go back to the bottom of that. Yo, what does it say? Look, I know Lex got her. He made me promise not to tell you, but I can feel him getting embarrassed. It's like it's happening to me too. Lex to Grandpa's books. He said he wanted to learn how Grandpa used sound to bring Nims. What was that? Nims, I don't know, back to life when you were a little girl. He said this could help Uncle Lucas travel to other worlds again. He tried to use Grandpa's machine, but he got hurt. He said he feels out of phase, like he's slipping out of the world and into a different one. He said everything's fucked. We have to be careful to not talk about this. Only right there are people in science code saying on us, spying on us, and listening to what we are saying.
Damn. And this is the painting he's left with.
That shit's crazy. Look at the paintings.
Live in space, y'all. Honestly.
Where call home? This is what I call home.
Oh. What the hell? Wait, why is this slimy right here? Oh, hell. Why you touching it? I'm gonna touch it too.
So bright in here. Look at him. Look at him. Yes.
Bro, he's a
If you need help choosing a destination, select Help Me Choose.
in the multiverse right now,
I'm
y'all.
here to help you
That's
focus
it.
your program.
Oh, that's dope. It's a little chair right here.
If you're where you've left your complications behind, wander the Lucian crystal fields,
Honestly.
named the founder of the works and power on them.
I don't know how many I've had. I think I've had like 4 or 5. Maybe 6. 4 or 5.
Welcome to World Premiere. I'm Alpha, an Aqua game agent.
God damn, wait. Oh, that's trippy, bro. Yo. I'm gonna go in here, bro. It's like a little trailer in here. Yo, let's just chill.
This is mad chill, yo.
Yo, low key. Honestly.
This would be the crib. And we got kids and everything.
Online. Yeah, we stole them. Nah.
If you had this little trailer,
I'm just like looking into the camera.
I'm just
judgmental.
waiting to the
We just waited for the shrooms to hit pretty much.
Really?
We have 4 left.
I only got 2.
Really?
I think I eat a lot.
You the one that ate most of them, bro.
Alright, so
Dang.
Eat one more.
me?
Yeah, make it 8. You're tripping.
I think I better trip on. Y'all better save me.
Yeah, this fool about to be in the other, the actual other realm.
Should we?
Wait, hold up. Let's see what it says, yo. So these are the shrooms we take in. And it says, heavy user starts with 5 to 6 pieces. And I took 8. No.
God, the heavy user.
So you're
Nah,
I'm glad I took 4 or 5, so I'm okay.
Wait, what the fuck?
Yo, this is the spot. This my welcome to my
Honestly.
living room. Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty.
Grown man, by the way. Oh, this is tough.
Step up and learn more about yourself than you ever wanted to.
Yo, wait, this is
Ready? It's like,
how do you shoot? Yeah, what the? Oh,
How do you shoot?
how do you jump?
How do you shoot?
It's X, yeah. Oh shit! I fucking died, bro. I'm sorry. What are you doing, Mrs. Pac-Man? Bro, this used to be my shit. Damn. Yo, that tripped me out so bad, bro. I thought that was a mirror or some shit. No, they really did, bro. Ooh, this is so... This monkey. This guy is a monkey. This does make you just want to... Honestly. Yo, there's some cult shit going on.
Ray be sick here, buddy.
What is that?
Yo, look at that. No.
Wait, hold on. Yeah, let me... Ah, fuck. He's changing that. What the fuck? You can just shoot shit out there.
Yo, look up.
That's crazy. What the fuck?
Yo, look at this. We gotta wear
Honestly.
some dog, y'all. Hello, puppy. That's some Rick and Morty.
He's so cute. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, hell. Damn. Nah, this is fucking crazy. Wait, what the hell? Chinatown.
Dude, I need to take off these glasses.
Yo, I think the shrooms are hitting y'all.
Yeah, where is he?
Because if we lose them, we're never gonna find them.
About to start tripping.
Let's go into this right here.
Look at this though.
Zoom out.
Oh shit.
Oh, yeah. That's wild. Oh shit. Oh wait, what the heck? Bienvenidos a la casa. What is it? Wait, oh shit.
Did you hear this?
Oh. Oh shit, right now.
Did a quick tune
Nah, I'm kind of feeling it right now. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you. I've been there this whole day.
No.
Matter of fact, since y'all picked me up.
Cheers, nigga. Stop good. Yo, let me see that real quick.
Josh, look this way again.
Where is that?
Where is that?
Bro, you know some getting stories downstairs.
Big ass diamond.
Yo, in the diamond.
We in the diamond in the sky. It's a flying saucer. I'll be fly. Steady getting high. Bitch, I'm off the shrooms. I ain't doing me no lines.
Wait, what the hell?
It's a crazy ass step, yo. Be careful.
Wait, what? Bro,
That shit's deep as hell.
what the? Cause that fool's tall as fuck. I don't know if I could do it. Oh shit.
This one too.
Oh, bro, this is.
Yo, this is tiny.
Got the feet on.
Look at the stairs. Dude, yeah.
What?
Yo.
Oh, God.
Bro, how's this even
Why?
Like I'm kneeling.
Ow, my head.
Ow! Fuck. I hurt myself multiple times.
Out the way. History lesson.
Oh shit.
Hey, yo.
In the beginning, we were one. One entity, one kingdom.
One kingdom.
It was order and it was perfection. But even in perfection, our heart longed. Curiosity made us want. We no longer felt contempt with perfection. We needed the unknown. We needed to explore.
Oh.
We needed to create. An anomaly emerged. Fragmentation happened fast. Something overtook everything and it needed to be contained. We created time. We created space. We created law. And we created the charter.
Wait, what the?
It's back to the piano though.
Wait, hold up. I can barely hit this shit.
Back to the piano?
We'll put my glasses on this bitch.
They're slow. They're waiting for us.
They're waiting. They're trying to catch us.
Yes, sir.
That's right. We in this bitch. Nightmare. Dude, we can see the whole thing from this.
No, we gotta do for nightmare. Oh, we scared.
Look, there's a mushroom right there.
Oh, eat that bitch. Where?
Look, right here.
Oh yeah, look. We are all one.
We are all
See, we're
one.
not the only ones that have tripped you.
That's right. We are all one in nature, in God.
Been to the one in Las Vegas and shit.
Oh, shit.
Mega Mart, that one's pretty trippy too, but I was younger when I went to that one, and then we decided to go to this one. Key, and it's the first one. It's the OG. I didn't know.
You didn't know that
Mexico
shit?
Village.
Yeah. Cats. Oh, this works. Oh, God. Oh, God. I like this one. I like this one. That makes me feel. This is happy, bro. Honestly, Barbie. Look at these things. Oh shit. What is this? Bro, I thought that was another part of the exhibit, bro.
Alright, y'all, we gotta play a game of hide and seek to kill some time because we've already explored everything.
Yeah, pretty much.
I think the shrooms are wearing off. I don't know, are they?
I don't know, this is the.
I'm gonna go find y'all. I give y'all 1 minute. Let's go.
Alright, bet.
Y'all, I think it's been about time. I gotta go find these fuckers now. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. We gotta see where they at. Yo, I found y'all. I found y'all. That's what's up. That's crazy. Alright, now we gotta go hide. You ready for this?
1 minute to 5 minutes.
So let's go. Come on, come on. Come on. I already know the ways. We were looking for X as he's looking for us because it's been a minute and he hasn't found us. We found a whole new other room we haven't even seen. So I don't think he's finding us. No. Feels like that.
That one roller coaster?
That one roller coaster ride where you're all in the middle and then the gravity like keeps you still. I used to fuck with that one as a kid. He ain't never finding us, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm back at the spot. X found Trips, but he didn't found me, so they're still looking for me now. Let's see if they can find me. Just here, y'all. Like, observing the people, pretty much looking, making sure I'm not caught. Back in this room, but they're kind of freaking me out, y'all. Not gonna lie. Some of them look mad trippy, y'all. Mad trippy. Look at this shit. Like, what is this? That is insane. But y'all, they found me, finally. But I think we better call it. I think we've seen pretty much everything in Meow, and I think the shrooms are actually wearing off. Y'all, we leaving this other universe. Let's get out of here. Now we into the regular world. No, that shit was pretty chill, y'all, honestly. Good little trip and shit. Y'all gotta see this.
Oh, look, it's his casa. Oh.
No, that's not his casa.
That's fun.
That is not his casa. We finished the shrooms, y'all. Say goodbye to these. We made it outside, y'all. Look at this giant spider.
Hit me like crazy.
The wolf. Oh yeah, y'all. Got the beanie and shit, you know.
I need to see the real world, bro.
I got a little shot glass too. For remembrance.
Laughing.
They went looking for me. This shit was pretty sick, y'all. What do you rate
I
it?
think, bro, I was tripping.
That shit was insane. Now we're in the regular world. What a journey today,
I give
y'all.
it 10 out of 10. It's OG.
10 out of 10, the OG. Hope y'all fuck with the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Maybe next time we'll do it on acid.
Yeah,
Fuck it.
that might be hella crazy, dude. That might be crazy, yo.
100 likes, we'll do it. On guard.
That'd be crazy as fuck.
So honestly, I took 8 and shit, but the effect was
I
it was
think I took
alright.
like 5. Bro, like these sheets.
This shit's insane.
Need some other
fun,
more
though.
shroom bars, bro. Like some stronger ones, because these weren't it. These were not it.
But yeah, y'all, hope y'all fuck with the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. The fiends are out.